Good evening for everyone. This presentation is for my campaign. My campaign is about recommendations to save the environment. Okay, in the first, taking care of the environment doesn't require big actions, but from your home, you can make many small gestures to contribute to its protections. The current climate emergency requires that we all do our part to improve the situation. So, in the first point, have save water. Saving water is one of the best options for caring for the environment, and it is that less than 3% of the water on a planet Earth is suitable for human consumption. That if we don't take care of it, we will have to say goodbye to this vital liquid. Other important point is separate the garbage. So, another measure for the care of the planet is to separate the garbage. The increase in open air dumps is the result of poor waste management that begins in the home. And it is necessary to admit that too many they are lazy to classify them. Regardless of that is one of the actions to take care of the environment that we all must take. In the 3 point management are recycled paper. Okay, the problem is that up to 50% is not separated properly. This is unfortunate as paper and cardboard produced are very durable and can be recycled up to 7 times. Therefore, classifying them is one of the most important actions to take care of the environment. In the 4 point, have reuse the plastics you use. Okay, another measure for the care of the environment that we must put into practice and immediately is the use of a plastical utensils. Well, the really advisable thing is to avoid buying them whenever possible. In the 5th point, have use public transport. Okay, a measure for the care of the planet that all countries must adopt is the reduction of greenhouse gases. These alternatives are more efficient and cheaper than the cart, which emits large amounts of CO2. So, despite this, in many cities they don't invest even a third of what they spend on infrastructure. So, make better use of public transport. So the next point is use the bike for short and medium stretch. I think this point is good for the humans and is really good for the environment because the use of bicycles is a measure for the care of the environment that many ecological cities have adopted. To do this, they have built bike lines and funded companies to offer bike rentals at strategic points, and this is a really good help for the healthy of the humans. So this point is another for is really good for the humans and for the environment. Is walk short distance. So walking, in addition to being a good habit for health, is one of the actions to take care of the environment. By not using your cart or even public transportation, you help to reduce carbon dioxide emissions. Age point. Make runs with friends for car use. One of the measures to take care of the environment that you can apply is to establish runs with your friends to use a single vehicle per day or even per week. So that you can see the importance of one of the measures to take care of the environment. Let you tell you that 63% of the cars in circulation have a single driver. In other words, if many share their cars, CO2 emissions will be lowered. 9 points. Buy energy saving light bulbs. Another action for the care of the environment is energy saving. With this measure, the use of fuels to generate electricity, oil, and coal, which are very harmful and the main emitters of greenhouse gas, is reduced. And in the last point, unplug appliances. Another action to take care of the environment and that you have surely heard thousands of times is to turn off your device when you don't use them. These small measures can make a big difference when it comes to saving energy. A turning off appliances is an action to take care of the environment is not enough. computers that are turned off but still connected to power consume powers, so this is important to upload them.